Great day, everyone. Great day. I pray all is well. This is Charmaine Thomas. I'm coming to you to provide you with some options as tax professionals for the upcoming tax season, just so that you know this is available and how you can actually scale your business by offering not only the reselling of the software and preparing taxes, but also an opportunity to help your clients restore their credit, set up a will and trust, use secure cards to build positive credit. So there's so much that comes along with this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and get started with the tax side of things. So if you are a tax professional and you already have your EFIN, okay, you have your own EFIN, and you just need a better way to scale your tax business for this upcoming season, I'm here to tell you that this is going to be the way. I have been in the business now over 10 years, and I have been very successful. And things of that nature, especially with tying in credit and things of that nature. Like, it's one big financial picture. So not only that, you'll have access to the banks, which is Refundo, and then some others, different ways to offer your clients a way to pay without, having to come out of their pocket, where it can come directly from their refund. You're able to get funded quickly. You're also able to cut down on those fees that you're paying for service bureaus and things of that nature. And you can control your very own service bureau fees. You can brand your app. You can brand your software. So this is you having your very own tax business. Okay, you're cutting out the middleman. You're tired of paying all these fees. You're tired of giving away money, right? You're doing the work, but you're still giving away money, right? You're still giving away money. So you don't want to give away money anymore. And I get it. I get it. I get it. Trust me either. Okay. So I just want to go through a few of these so that you guys can understand what the software, what the plans offer and things of that nature. So let's go ahead and get started. So just per se, you were to land on my page and you go to get started now. You can see here where it says Service Bureau EFIN, okay? These are for all of my EFIN holders, okay? So if you already have an EFIN and you're still working under someone else's software and you're having to pay those what do you call it, royalty fees and all of that, and your clients are paying extra money because you're set up under someone else's software, right? So we want to get into the business where we're under our own software, and so we can cut out the middleman, right? All right, so with this particular plan, you're an actual service bureau. You have your own EFIN. You would have access to Tax Track, which is banking products. You'll be able to control your own service bureau fees. You'll have the cloud tax software. You'll earn additional commission by reselling the tax software if you so choose to resell the software to someone else. You'll also have access to your business office with a website, right? So that comes along with it. Now, this one includes a protection plan, right? It includes 18 plus services. You'll be able to build your credit, organize your finances, protect your family, gain financial literacy. Also, with this particular plan, this is a turnkey business opportunity. So Charmaine, what do you mean by that? So let's just say this. You're already in the tax business. You're already preparing taxes. So you're already making money on that end, correct? Correct. Right. Now, by using this particular platform and by using this particular software, it is indeed, okay, a turnkey business opportunity and an opportunity to earn supplemental income, also build a team. You can attend events and promotions. You have professional marketing materials and ongoing trainings. What does that mean? If you utilize Tax Track with United Wealth Education, United Wealth is also going to provide you with commissions, okay, for reselling the software, the returns that you're doing. So you're making money on a lot of different ends. This is what you consider passive income, okay? This is a beautiful setup, and you're saving money on the service bureau fees, because now you're setting your own fees and you don't have anybody else's fees to go according to, and you don't have to keep giving away money and or your clients being charged an additional $49, $50, $75 just for doing their taxes through you. Now, this particular plan, again, is for my EFIN holders that wants to be their own service bureau, okay? This particular plan is $689. Now, there is a plan where you do not have to have the protection plan, which is the credit protection plan right here. And you can just pay the $499 for your tax software, etc. Okay, so you don't necessarily have to sign up for the protection plan, but if you are, wanting to utilize the opportunity to earn supplemental income and learn more about the credit side of things with United Wealth, then of course that is an option for you. And then of course you can start offering that to your clients, okay? So again, $689 if you'd like to opt into the protection plan, $499 if you're just needing the tax software, and the opportunity to control your very own service bureau. Again, this is for the EFIN holders, $499 without the protection plan, $689 with the protection plan. Now, moving on. If you would like to resell the software, right? If you'd like to resell the software, meaning you have people that have a P10, or you have people that have their own EFIN, you can resell this software to them the same way that you would do before this. But this is just a better way to scale the business, because there are so many more opportunities and so much more revenue that can be generated by utilizing this particular platform. All right, so you can earn commission by reselling the tax software. You have your UWE website to market the services, the UWE business office to track activities. It is a turnkey business opportunity. Earn supplemental income. You can build a team, professional marketing materials, and ongoing trainings. That is if you would like to just be a reseller, right? If you just want to resell the software, which is fine. If you just want to make money by reselling the software, you don't want to prepare taxes or anything like that, then you can join this particular plan for $299, guys. $299. Listen, life is lifing out here for a lot of us, and we are definitely all looking for ways to either scale our business, find a new business to get into, whatever the case may be. This to me is definitely a way to not only earn revenue by preparing taxes for my clients, but by also being able to offer them a different line of business as well, which is, hey, let me help. Let's talk about your credit. Let's talk about will and trust, different things that we need out here to be able to succeed, right? In our everyday life. So this is definitely a turnkey business for people that are in the tax industry and people that are wanting to become a part of the tax industry. Service Bureau, manage and grow your service bureau effectively. Same thing. Same thing. Let me show you all something that is probably going to really grab your attention. And that is going to be the actual commission. All righty. So just per se, you go ahead and get enrolled to utilize the tax software, become your very own service bureau, and be able to resell the software and things of that nature, right? So just per se, you decide that that is something that you'd like to do. You will receive, of course, 100% of your tax prep fees, right? Because that's the norm. You're going to receive your tax fees. We understand that. Also, you're going to control your very own service bureau. You're going to earn 100% of the service bureau fees and add-ons. Y'all, how many of you know that has been in the tax business that you are paying these fees to people that's not doing the work for you? You're doing all of the work, but you're having to pay service bureau fees. Your clients are paying an additional $49 on their taxes for service bureau fees, et cetera, et cetera. Listen, this is a way for you to be able to control your very own service bureau fees. You can control that. This is the beauty in this, okay? There's no more middleman, okay? You're the top dog here, okay? All right. Now, again, you can also resell the tax track software. Now, just per se, you resell it at $150 and you sold 300, that's an additional $45,000 on top of whatever your tax prep fees that you've accumulated throughout the season. I don't know about you, but that screams extra money to me, and I like extra money. So, yeah, that's a no-brainer for me, okay? Not everybody thinks the same, but that's a no-brainer for me, all right? Then you have the United Wealth title and commission. So as you can see, there's different levels that you can hit to earn additional money based on the levels that you're hitting, okay? Here's the kicker, guys. All right. You're already in business for yourself. You've already had this tax business going for a few years or whatever the case may be. Here's what United Wealth is doing to me that is so beautiful here, right? They are funding you and giving you money for something you're already being paid for anyway. You're going to prepare your clients' taxes per usual, okay? You're gonna do what you normally do. You're gonna prepare their taxes and you set your fees and you get paid, right? Here's the kicker. United Wealth Education says, hey, we will fund you a return bonus by using our software. So you'll earn a set amount per funded tax returns for each EFIN. Tier 1, 0 to 2,500 funded returns. The payout is $5 per funded return. Excuse me, that may not sound like a lot to someone, but guys, you charge $400 to do your client's taxes. That's $400. And then United Wealth said, hey, as a way to say thank you for using our platform, for using our tax software, we're going to bonus you $5 per funded return. Tier 2, you have over 2,500 refunds that you have prepared. The payout goes to $10 per funded return. And then, of course, if you do over 5,000 or more funded returns, the payout is $15 per funded return. I don't, again, know about anybody else, but that screams additional income for me. So we have, like, look at all the ways to get paid here. Step 6, earn commissions from the UWE Protection Plan add-on. So your tax client, you already have prepared their taxes, you've gotten them funded, they're happy. Yay. You can get them set up with the United Wealth Education Protection Plan for credit restoration, credit building, will, power of attorney, trust documents, etc. Each enrolled client pays you $100 commission. If you enroll 1,000 of your tax clients, that's $100,000. Y'all don't hear me though. Then you can earn monthly override commissions. Depending on what level, you can get to the Medallion Club, the Infinity Bonus, and it just goes on, R&R Club. So this is more than just preparing taxes for your clients, guys, all right? So you'll be preparing taxes for them, but you will also be able to earn additional revenue by reselling the tax software, adding on some credit restoration services, And then just by doing what you normally do, which is prepare taxes, United Wealth is saying, hey, I want to give you some extra money just for using our platform. We'll bonus you. And if you level up, we'll give you even more bonuses, more commissions, more overrides. Y'all, this is the tea. Okay. This is the tea. And I definitely wanted to bring this before everyone that is in the tax industry that may need a different way with the new season coming up to scale their businesses. Listen, I think that this is the best time to go ahead and make a decision as to how we're going to move forward in the new tax season, how we're able to scale, because let's just keep it real. The tax business is a risky business, not only because people can actually go to TurboTax and prepare their own taxes. They can, go to the IRS website and prepare their own taxes. But you, as a tax preparer, tax professional, someone that is in the tax industry, you have to come up with a way that makes you stand out and that is going to make consumers and clients want to come do business with you. And I feel that this is the best way. This has worked for me for years, being able to not only prepare them, for tax season, prepare their taxes for them, but I've also been able to assist them with getting their credit restored, helping them with their budgeting and things of that nature. And then, of course, because I do have a lot of brokers and real estate people in my pocket, I'm able to refer them over to move them forward in their home buying process. So you have to find that thing that's going to make you stand out even the more, outside of just filing people's taxes, because you guys, again, they can go get their taxes filed anywhere. Okay. So you have to do what makes you stand out. And even with this tax plan, this software, it also comes with the bank products, which is a beautiful thing. You're able to offer the advanced loans and things of that nature. That makes you stand out. Some people need money before their taxes actually hit. And so you'll be that tax professional, that tax company that is able to provide those advanced loans and things of that nature for your company. So if you are in the tax industry already, you have your own EFIN, and you're ready to be your very own service bureau, I implore you to click the link that will be in the description of this particular video. And I pray that you make the best decision for yourself and for your business. I pray everyone has a wonderful tax season coming up and that you are exploring every opportunity available for you to scale your business. Again, thank you all. This is Charmaine Thomas. I appreciate you all for being a part of my video. I hope this helps someone today. Again, the link is going to be in the description. And I hope to see some of you all on the other side. Have a very blessed day.